KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange. That's what we'll be breaking down today. A full breakdown of the spot and the futures markets on KuCoin, the altcoin listings, the KYC rules, its security, the bot trading, copy trading, the fees, and the global availability, so you know whether this is the right platform for you. At the end of this video, make sure you like and subscribe and check out the link to KuCoin if you want to use this platform. So it is kind of considered one of the best altcoin platforms, especially for automated trading tools. One of the most popular retail cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It has light KYC requirements compared to other platforms. It has great bots. Futures trading is available. A clean mobile experience as well. It really appeals to kind of beginner, intermediate, and also professional traders, especially those traders who want early access to tokens before they go to other top tier exchanges like Coinbase or Bybit or Binance. So if you're an altcoin explorer, if you like small to mid futures trades, if you want to use bots and automate your trades, and you want a platform that's global, then this is the one for you. So KuCoin launched all the way back in 2017. Always been focused more on retail traders, supporting over 1,000+ trading pairs. They have both futures and spot, and like I said, you've got DCA bots, futures bots. You also have copy trading on the platform. You can earn, you can stake, do dual investing. You have a P2P marketplace as well. So the KCS token is a utility token that you can also use to get fee discounts. If you want to get started and get low fees, check out the link in the description. It is available pretty much worldwide. If you're in Africa, if you're in Asia, in Latin America, if you're in Europe or the Middle East, you can access KuCoin pretty much from anywhere. They do have a level 0, which is a no KYC, minimal KYC, where you can do basic trading, basic crypto deposits and withdrawals with small limits, and access most spot pairs. And if you want to then KYC, you can do level 1 or 2, where you can have higher withdrawal limits. Of course, you can also have fiat channels via P2P trading, and also you can have full access to the futures trading and institutional features as well. So if you're thinking about the platform's trading features for spot trading, it's got meme coins, AI coins, it's got GameFi tokens, Metaverse tokens, new listings, Solana base ecosystem, early stage tokens. You can find all of that on KuCoin for futures and perpetual contracts. You've got up to 125x leverage, right? And you've got USDT and USDC margined contracts available on KuCoin, as well as market limit orders. You've got stop advanced order types as well, cross isolated margin. You've got decent liquidity, especially for mid-sized positions. And the trading bots on KuCoin, like I said, are very popular here with spot grid bots that trade ranges automatically, or you have some other bots like futures grid bots that are for volatility farming, or maybe you're into kind of automated accumulation. You can use a DCA bot or an infinity grid bot, smart rebalance your portfolio, and AI generated parameters as well for beginners, right? So that's really interesting. If you want to copy trade, on the other hand, you've got transparent leaderboards here with P&Ls for the top traders that you can see. You can copy spot and futures traders. You can adjust your risk parameters and auto trade in terms of sizing your positions as well. They have earning features where you can stake, or you can have savings features or locked staking promotion. So there's something to check out. They've got a launch pool style yield campaign, kind of, these things run kind of regularly on the platform. So you always need to check those out, kind of if you're looking for yield or passive income with crypto, or if you want to do P2P arbitrage, for example. you can actually have a lot of payment methods as well that you can use. If you can build a reputation on the P2P marketplace. When it comes to the fees though, it is very competitive on the maker side. On spot is 0.1%, which is kind of standard. On the taker, the same fees drop if you're using the KCS token. Okay, so futures trading, 0.02% on the maker side, 0.06 on the taker, very competitive again. Crypto withdrawals, free. Network only withdrawals vary obviously on network as well. Fiat purchases on depending on jurisdiction and the providers that you might be able to find. And then security and trust, it's got all the regular checks in terms of cold wallet storage for user funds, multi-layered security architecture. You can use 2FA protection, withdrawal whitelist, and things like that. They did suffer a hack in 2020, but fully reimbursed their users. They rebuilt their systems. There haven't been any critical incidents since then. So KuCoin is fairly, liked in the space, to be honest. They haven't had any major disruption. So user experience and platform quality, I think it's good on web and mobile. Onboarding is very easy. Like I said, you can just get started easily. The link is down below. If you want to see the full pros and cons, I'll drop the link to the article, the full review on our main site. You can check out the competitor analysis, comparing them to MEXC and Bybit, OKX and BitGet, for example. We give KuCoin an 8.3 out of 10. Like I said, it's very good for beginners and intermediate traders, global traders needing flexible KYC. And if you want to use bots and explore altcoins, it's the perfect platform for you to use. So check out the link in the descriptions, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.